Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Mrs. Messy Bun. In this video you are going to see a toy review. I have to thank Freebies for sending me this toy. Without further delay, let's get started. So I got this toy box from Freebies. I should first thank for them to sending me this, and I'm going to open it. Actually, yeah. This card, and actually I bought a toolkit for my kids. So I am a hardware person. I mend things, whatever it's broken I try to do that, but my kids used to follow me, and they will use my real toolkit. So I don't want to touch my real toolkit, it will harm them. So I got this, they sent me this actually. This is actually a pouch. So this is a children's toolkit with a hardware pouch, so they can tie it around their hip and hang all their tools. So this is one, and there is some tools like screws. I'll open it.
I got this gun. What's that?
Measuring tape. I really need this. My kids are taking it, so, and it's lightweight and nice actually. I like it. I think I can also play with it. So fun. So
Can I play on it?
just a minute. And they can hang it with a clip. It's nice actually. That's one. And
Oh, another. Oh, what's that? Is that
a screwdriver. It's lightweight. I think kids can handle this very well, and it's nice and it's good to hold actually. And it's also a screw, I think. I will see. And some hardware. Okay, so sorry, I'm a little clumsy now. So this has like screws. So I think for this, I think I'll show in a minute. And this one, okay, so they can remove it, I think. Okay, not sure. Yeah, like this, and they can interchange like what we do with our screwdrivers and all those things. Yeah, it fits nicely and tight. I love it actually. This is so 3 types of accessories for the screwdriver. I mean 4 types. I'm not sure for what is. Oh, I think it's a nut plug. I think so. Let's see. When we open it, we'll get to know that. And some, as I said, some nuts and screws, and a wood panel. I think it's not going to be exactly the wood.
What's this wood, Mama? A hair?
It's not. It's a plastic, but yeah, I think it.
What shape the gun?
Wait, it's not.
It's not a gun.
This one. Okay, so this is how they play with it. They can make it like whatever they want. So that's one. And some funky tools like
I want that one.
a saw, like that. My kids are sitting near me. They want to open it everything with me. Okay, wait.
They're sharp.
And this one.
They're not sharp.
The good thing is, see, usually when we buy some tools like this part won't move. It's going to be like static. But this, I am so excited that they can like roll it, move it around, and play with it like so. So they know that how really a wrench works, or a hammer works, or a saw. I'm really excited about that. And hammer, it's exactly what I have actually. And this one, wow. So it's like exactly the tools that I have in my box. Let me show you my box actually, then you will know what it's the same thing I have. Wait. So now you can see this is my tool. So they want to play with my tools, and that's not possible. So this is how, see, they gave this a hammer and screws. So you can guess exactly it's like how we use the basic stuffs and all those things. So it's not about this my tools now. So I will shift it to their tools. So now we will fix it in the hip belt, and I will show you how it is. So this is how it is. So I will fix this in both my kids, and I will show you how it looks. So it's so cool. So whenever I do some handiworks, they can wear this and roam around and do their thing. So this is how it's hanging in the hip. If you want, you can adjust however you want. But he's enjoying. So he started working with this woodwork. And he's enjoying. See, that's how it looks. I hope you can see clearly. Good. Like it, Anna?
Yeah.
Sorry for the messy background, guys. I'm really sorry. It's school time and it's messy.
Am I this way?
Show me.
This way.
Amma. Oh, ulla, opposite. Correct. So, now my kids are in action with their toys and toolkit. I am happy they are not touching mine. I hope you like this video. See you all in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.